If you've tried to make an AI avatar and it either looked nothing like you, cost way too much, or completely fell apart after 2 images, this video is for you. The problem isn't that it's difficult to create an avatar. The problem is finding a system that creates consistent, high-quality results at an affordable rate. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to make a quality AI avatar that talks and moves, all at a price that doesn't break the bank. This video isn't about fluff, it's about transparency. While other videos either lead you down a rabbit hole or discuss software that requires a large upfront cost, this video will give you the information needed to make your avatar come to life. But enough talking, let's get straight into what you came to see. The first step is choosing your avatar. Do you want to create an avatar that looks like you or someone else? Do you want a more realistic avatar or an avatar that appears 3D? It's all up to you and your personal preferences. After you have thought about your avatar's appearance, you are going to head over to ChatGPT to make your thoughts a reality. From here, you have a few options. You can either enter a description of your ideal avatar and ask ChatGPT to create an avatar based on that description, or you can upload an image and ask ChatGPT to make desired adjustments. For example, if I wanted to create an avatar from scratch, I might ask ChatGPT to create a 3D Pixar woman with brown skin and long curly black hair. She is sitting at her desk in an office with a city view behind her. Her office is cream, beige, orange, and brown colors, and her desk is aesthetically decorated. She has on a brown shirt with sunflowers and has her hands folded politely on her desk. But if I wanted to use an image of a specific person, I would add the image I wanted to use and then ask ChatGPT to make the woman in this image into a 3D Pixar animation. Then paste a description of what I want her to wear and my desired scenery. The setup is that simple. However, one of the most common complaints when using software like ChatGPT is that images don't tend to be consistent. Your avatar may be consistent for an image or two, and then the third image displays a distorted face that doesn't look anything like your original character. This is the consistency hack most people don't know, and it solves the distorted face problem almost instantly. Let me show you. Say I want to change my avatar's position to standing up, as opposed to sitting down, but I want to make sure my avatar's face stays the same. I would upload the image of my avatar that I want to change and enter my new prompt. But before submitting, I am going to add, keep my avatar's face consistent. This will almost always help you to obtain a consistent and reliable look for your avatar. The next step is bringing your image to life. To do this, I am going to use the Kling AI app because I have found it to be the most user-friendly, consistent, and affordable software. For just $37 a month, you will receive 3,000 credits, which is more than enough to create multiple videos. A pro tip to spending your credits wisely is to plan out your videos prior to creating animations. I found that when I started making AI animations, I wasted a lot of credits creating videos on a whim, only to realize the gestures and expressions weren't what I wanted or decided to go in a different direction. So my advice would be to plan every detail, down to the expression you want your avatar to have and what you want your avatar to say. To make your avatar come to life, you are going to open the Kling AI app and navigate to Avatar 2.0. From there, you are going to add your avatar's image. Next, you're going to go down to speech and either enter a script or upload an audio clip. I prefer for my avatar to have my own personal voice, so I upload my own audio. However, you can always enter your script and choose from a variety of different voices available on the Kling AI app. Full disclosure, I do use a voice cloning software to create my audio clips. Please let me know if you would like to see a video about how and what apps I use to clone my voice. Finally, hit generate.
And just like that, I'm talking and moving easily and affordably. Now you have the tools to make your avatar come to life.
And there you have it. An avatar that is talking and moving. No fluff, no rabbit holes, and all for under $40. I intend for this channel to be a place to receive quality and to the point content, so you can spend more time creating and less time testing systems and software that either don't work or are way too expensive. If you found this video to be helpful, educational, or entertaining, please comment ready to create. Also, please make sure to illuminate that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. Happy creating!